Hello friends, today we will see how to utilize technology in our learning. So firstly we need to set up our agenda. An agenda will be we will see how to effectively use technology in learning and increase our educational experience and also make it engaging. So firstly we will set our clear learning goals. We will define our objectives and goals and how we will see how we will achieve this using technology. Then secondly, we will choose the right tools. We will use different educational technology tools, resources which will be aligned with our goals. We can do it by researching. Now thirdly, we will stay organized. We will use digital tools for such as note-taking apps. We will use calendar apps, project management apps, tools that will track. Now fourthly, we will personalize our learning. We will make educational platform which gives many learning experience. We will take advantage of those. Now fifth will be we will be using digital libraries. There are various digital books libraries that can save our money on textbooks, and we will get different varieties of knowledge. Now sixth point is we will practice time management. So time management is very important, so we will use different tricks that can manage our time. Seventh, we will adapt and update. We will keep on learning different technologies, which is very important in our regular period. And lastly, we will balance our screen time. We will minimize our screen time, but we will use the only valuable tools that are required. So thank you.